Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert USDT to ton in Bitget Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Bitget Wallet app in your mobile and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this page. Here, go ahead and click on the wallet icon found at the bottom of your screen. So looking here at the top, you're going to see where it says ton. Just go ahead and click on that. If yours is not on ton, you need to search for ton and select it. Now it's going to appear at the top. So the next step you need to take is to click on USDT. You can see that right here. Then go ahead and click on swap. You can see this swap icon right here. Now you need to make sure that USDT is at the top while ton is at the bottom. After that, simply enter the amount of USDT you want to convert to. Let's say this much USDT. You're going to see the equivalence of the USDT in ton. So looking here where it says slippage, need to make sure that you select on smart slippage, so that it's going to determine the type of slippage that is going to be good for the swap. When you click on custom, you can manually enter the slippage amount. When you select 15 slippage setting, you're going to see that it says here that the current slippage setting is high and may result to financial loss. So when the slippage setting is very high, it may result to financial loss. So you need to do is to ensure you use the smart slippage that is the best. After entering the amount and selecting the slippage, you just have to tap on confirm button here. As I don't have any amount, that's why it is showing insufficient balance. But in your case, the confirm button will show here. Just tap on that and your USDT will be converted to ton. So that's basically how you can convert USDT to ton in Bitget Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.